business is people's business.
Man will be what he was born to be, free and independent.
The only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
257-5396, you guys, is the call-in number, and it's a big day today.
It sure is. And you know what? I think I mentioned you guys, but did I say I'm DeMarco Chandler?
You did. And
you did.
Who's on the
and
dials?
it's not your birthday today.
It's not.
Who's on the dials with us today?
Oh, my goodness. Well, we've got Jim. Jim is there.
Jim Dallas.
Jim Dallas is on the dials. Jim, thank you so much. He does
Keeping
such a
us,
good job. Yeah.
You know what? Thank goodness we have an engineer to keep us on course, or we might hit an iceberg.
And a 7-second delay.
Oh,
yes.
my goodness.
Hey, 20 years today.
20 years for what?
20 years today. Well, I'm going to give you a little clue. Jim, you got that clip?
I just want to say, you know, can we all get along? Can we get along? Can we stop making it horrible for the older people and the kids?
Wow.
20 years. Guess. 20 years for what? Anybody know who that was?
Oh, Rodney King.
You got it.
Wow.
Can't we all just get along?
I just dated myself.
20 years today.
Yeah.
Since the LA riots and the Las Vegas riots. We actually had riots here, believe it or not.
Garth, let me ask you something. What do you remember most about the Rodney King riots?
Well, let's see here. What do I remember the most about the Rodney King riots? I would have to say the money, the overtime money.
DeMarco, I think where he's going with this is Rodney King was not an innocent victim.
So I decided to resist apprehension. Dude, you resist the police, you're going to get your butt kicked.
But you're not served in that case.
Let me ask you something. If you have the right to be angry, you can trash everything, burn down the place.
Yes,
no.
In fact, Steve, let me give you some numbers.
Now you're going to something I'm not dealing with. I said that the riots and those things in the aftermath were completely wrong. And two wrongs don't make a right.
53 people died in the aftermath, including 10 that were shot by LAPD and the National Guard.
So who do you blame?
Because it was
who do you blame
Rodney
for
King.
that?
Rodney King.
You blame Rodney King.
Absolutely. He should have got out of the car. It's just like the lady that got shot here in Vegas that everybody say, oh, she had a cell phone. She raised her hands up. You know what? If there's a gun in the car, you do not get out with a gun.
I don't
and
agree.
who brings a gun in, somebody's going to get one.
Yeah.
Garth, what he's saying is he wants to take guns away from cops.
Well, no. No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. No,
Okay.
I want my cops to have guns.
No authority
Okay?
figure should have
question
guns.
No.
Don't break that left wing.
Now you're putting words in my mouth.
The kid should have went home and told his parents. The kid doesn't have a right to defend himself because he's taken on something he doesn't even know. He should have went home, told his parents, and called the police himself.
He's a minor. John, he's a minor. He's a minor. I mean,
I don't care if you're...
Young lady, he wasn't the law. He wasn't the law at all.
I don't care if you're 40 years old and you're walking down the street in Las Vegas. Do not fight them battles because you're going to get shot. Somebody's going to shoot you.
Interesting how you characterize our freedom here, Garth. I mean, we don't have any freedom based upon what you're saying.
I'm not saying
Listen,
you don't
John,
have freedom.
I appreciate you calling in.
I do too, John.
Yeah, thanks, John.
I'm enjoying your show, and hopefully that you keep it going. But at the same time, I'm not from the old school. I'm from the real school. We kept it real from where I came from, and I hope that you guys keep it real. God bless you.
Thank you,
buddy.
John.
Thank you.
Garth, I've got a bone to pick with you on a couple of fronts. Number one is how do you exercise your freedom when you walking home to your house? You just went to the store to get something for your nephew or your cousin, and you're confronted for being in your own neighborhood.
DeMarco,
how come he has to follow? No, how come there's a set of protocol that he must follow to be proper in your book? I don't buy that.
In my book, if you feel like you're being followed by somebody, the common sense would be call the police.
Let me give you another instance. A woman is being followed by a man, okay? Dark, just like that, and a man's following him. Are you saying the woman has the freedom now and she should turn around and confront her?
That's a total
that guy?
different
No, it's
circumstance.
not. It's
It's
not
that's
any
a totally
different.
different-
She's
it is
going to
different.
run or call the
You got
police.
two
Why
men.
didn't he?
You got social distinctions there, my friend.
There's
You got
social
a
distinctions
female
here,
and a
friend.
male. No.
All right. Rodney King, huh? Pretty great. AM 720, KDWN. Call-in number 702-257-5396. We were going to talk about the Secret Service, but I think we're going to just continue on with this Rodney King thing.
Right, he's a juvenile. Had he gone home and said, hey, you know what? I got a guy following me. I'm a juvenile. I'm kind of afraid.
And Governor Rod Blagojevich, who was serving time in prison, was a top-notch cream of the crop.
No, he
according
was a
to you.
politician.
And
Good point.
What's the
Hey,
name
guys, real quickly, like me at Garth Baker Live. We can keep this going on all the time. Twitter, Garth Baker Live.
Tune in next time, 10 o'clock Sunday mornings. This is Steve Campbell.
And
Marco Chandler.
This show's going to be
and
up on
Garth Baker.
our website on The Guardian. What is that?
That's going to be up on The Guardian, theguardianlv.com. And listen, we will continue the Secret Service, so stay tuned. We're happy and thank our guest, Dr. Fry, for being here. And we're the people's business. K-Don.
Garth Baker, I'm out of here. Steve.
Out of here.
This is Steve Campbell, and we're out of here.
Bye-bye.